Welcome to howtopam. Today I'm going to show you how to install the latest Flashplayer plugin into Firefox web browser on your Linux operating system. First thing you're going to need to do is go to Adobe's Flashplayer download site and choose the right version for your Linux operating system, and then download that version. Once you have that downloaded, you can go to your downloads folder and find your zip file and open it in the archive manager and extract the contents of that file to a folder that you've created, and just extract that. The next thing you're going to have to do is open up your terminal, and you're going to need to change your directory into your downloads, and the new file that you created, new folder. Okay, and if you want to make sure you're in there, just type ls. And you can see here the contents listed in that folder. Now we're going to have to take the contents of this Unix System Resources folder and put that into the root of our system. So to do that, we'll become root user by typing sudo, and then we'll copy as root the Unix System Resource folder and all files, and we'll copy that to the root Unix System Resource folder on our root, and we'll just push enter, put in our password, and that is done. Now you'll notice here that this libflashplayer SO file is the one that is the actual plugin, and we'll need to put that into the correct directory. So to find out where that goes, just open up your file manager, go to the root of your system, go into the Unix System Resources folder, go into your library and find Mozilla folder. Once you've found the Mozilla folder, you'll see that inside it is the plugins, and that is where that particular file will go. So if we open up the plugins, it needs to go in here. Now if you have an older version of the plugin, you need to actually delete that before you can install the new version. But in this case, we see that we have to put this here libflashplayer SO into the root Unix System Resources Library Mozilla Plugins folder. Now a quick way to do that is to type this address here. So again, we'll go sudo copy root, and we'll type this file name, or you can copy and paste it down here. Okay, and now we'll just leave a space there, and we'll put that in the USR. We're copying this address here, lib Mozilla plugin and we can push enter. Okay, that will copy this file into the Mozilla folder. And that should be all that you need to do. So you can exit this. And you're finished. If you like to check out the verification, you can go to your web browser and type about:plugins, press enter, and you will see it listed right here. Okay, if you'd like to check further about your plugins, you can check this link at the top here, which will check your installed plugins. And you can see it's installed right here and it's up to date. Okay, so that's how you'll install or upgrade the Flashplayer plugin in your Firefox web browser on your Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.